The battle for all-terrain supremacy is here. The Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain AT002, the new kit on the block, challenges the legendary BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2. Can this newcomer topple the off-road king? It's a clash of titans across every terrain. Let's break it down. Throughout this comparison, you will see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain AT002 set as the reference point at 100%. On gravel, the KO2 edges ahead, stopping 0.8 meters shorter and maintaining slightly better control at higher speeds by 0.4 km per hour. But the AT002 isn't far behind, delivering marginally better traction by 0.03 newtons. The KO2 wins on braking and handling. The AT002 pulls through with 0.03 newton more traction. In the sand and mud, the KO2 continues to dominate, with slightly better traction by 0.03 newtons in both terrains. Its grip delivers confident push, leaving the AT002 trailing by just a small margin. But when the snows fall, the KO2 shows its true power. It stops 9.2 meters shorter and holds 10.8 km more speed in corners. The AT002, it struggles to keep up. Now, let's switch gears. On wet roads, the AT002 dominates. It stops 5.4 meters shorter and grips better in corners by 2.9 km per hour, resisting aquaplaning at 66.1 km per hour, a full 5.2 km faster than the KO2. In dry conditions, the AT002 shines with shorter braking by 2.4 meters and faster speed by 3.2 km per hour, outperforming the KO2. For a quieter ride, the AT002 also takes the lead, registering 0.5 decibel lower noise. While in efficiency, the AT002 rolls with 1.7 less rolling resistance coefficient value, meaning better fuel economy compared to the KO2. In summary, the Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain AT002 dominates on wet and dry roads. On the other hand, the BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 remains the champion off-road, especially in snow, sand, and mud. Choose based on where your adventures takes you.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.